And I have my mama over here. And today we are doing the Friday night snack down. Y'all heard of the wrestling Friday night smackdown, but it's gonna be Friday night snack down. Where we're gonna be trying different snacks on Friday nights. Well, we're gonna post it on Friday nights.
Yes.
But so we're gonna get right into it.
We have our water.
Water.
But I need a Coca-Cola.
Go ahead, say yours.
Hey guys, it's Blaze Hot Dog here, and I'm back with another video.
Open your mouth.
And today, guys, I'm with my mom and my grandma today, and we're gonna be doing the Friday snack down. And today we're gonna, well, it's not Friday Smackdown like on WWE. Snack down, like snacks. Yeah.
Yes. So
make sure you give this a big thumbs up and hit the bell and subscribe. Let's get into it.
Y'all, what's up? This is Tracy's show, and welcome back to another video. Today is Friday night snack down. We will be trying different snacks and just describing what we think about the snacks. And they did come from the $125 Dollar Tree. I don't call it Dollar Tree no more. I call it $125. Because it's not nothing in there $1 no more. So that's where we purchased the chips from. And let's get this video started.
Yeah. So the objective of this Friday's night snack down, we just have some random chips in a bag. We're gonna shake it. So, I mean, it ain't really a big bag, but we're gonna shake it. And we're gonna see who's gonna pull first. Rock, paper, scissors. Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors. Come on,
I don't forget how to do it.
Come on, Dirt. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, I forgot, y'all.
We gotta see who gonna go first.
Okay, Grandma, is rock, paper, scissors. You can do scissors or
rock,
paper,
scissors, shoot.
You cheating.
No.
Come on, 1, 2, 3, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, so he get to pick first. Close your eyes.
No!
Close your eyes.
Come on.
Okay, you got a string with it. Close your eyes. Okay. Come on, put your hand inside and grab one.
You gotta show him.
I'm just letting him blind people. You looking.
Let them see what I'm doing.
Yeah. Pull one, pull. Yeah. No, keep your hand on it.
Like this? Where's
Close
that?
your eyes. Come on, just grab something and pull it. What did you choose? Open your eyes.
Show the camera.
Banana chips?
No, it's not banana chips.
Cinnamon.
Apple cinnamon chips.
Apple cinnamon puffs, y'all.
Yes.
Y'all like
Can
them?
I see it?
I never tried them. So we'll get the chance to see what they taste
Trying to get
like.
the focus on yours. All right, y'all. It's apple cinnamon puffs. Ew. We should have got. Get a napkin.
I'm going to just take a jar.
All of us.
Okay.
This Friday night snack down. See, that makes the snack down when we do the prop paper scissors.
Well, I'm going to have to learn that because I forgot.
It's been some years, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to get me.
Water.
Yes, we're going to need some water to clear our palate.
More water than this.
Okay, so I got me one on my napkin.
You can see the cinnamon on it. That's the first thing I noticed. You can see the cinnamon.
2 cents I lost.
Huh?
2 cents I lost.
You didn't lose. You just wanted to pick the first thing.
Okay.
Okay, so everybody just want to try one?
2.
2? You want to try 2?
Okay.
You want to try 2 too?
No.
Okay, so we're about to try it.
I like it.
Y'all ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's actually pretty good. Tastes like cinnamon.
I don't like it.
It
Tastes like cinnamon cereal.
It don't have no taste to it. Can't see it. It's so bright. But it don't have no taste. It's just like some styrofoam.
It's nasty to me. It tastes
you don't even taste the cinnamon.
Tastes like those Gerber baby puffs. And then see, it probably good to him because he remembered eating those. He was just born like some years ago. So you remember eating?
I don't like
I don't like this either.
Because it don't have no taste, not even the cinnamon taste to it.
Send them to your baby cousin. Ew.
Good.
It's a no for me.
No.
It's a thumbs up for me. 8 out of 10.
So it's 2 to 1. 2 out of 1 like it. That's not
that
good.
do not taste good.
That's not tasting good.
And they could have at least put some sugar with the cinnamon.
That's why I gave it an 8 because there's no sugar.
I'm reading, but it's not good.
Now right here, it look like that little styrofoam stuff what you mail stuff with.
The peanuts, the packing peanuts.
Yes, it feel like it.
I don't like that.
I don't like it.
As I continue to
no.
look, as I continue to eat it.
Oh.
All right, it's time for the smackdown again. Y'all ready? Ready?
I don't know what I'm doing, y'all, but I'm just...
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. It's a tie. So we're gonna let Mama go.
I don't know what I'm doing. I just do what I do.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, come on, Mama.
Okay, here we go.
She's cheating.
Now you
Okay, here we go.
Come on, Mama.
Close your eyes like super hard.
Yep, because she peeping. She peeping.
You know she
Okay.
super hard.
All right, what did you choose, Mama?
Bagel chips, roasted garlic.
She probably like it.
All these flavors mixing.
That's why we get some water to cleanse our little
Ooh,
palate.
that'll leave a nasty taste.
He gonna distribute your snack. Cause I don't know. Yeah, that stuff it feel like.
And we did purchase these from Dollar Tree again. This came from Dollar Tree too.
Oh. She's shaking the table.
Okay, show them.
Okay, they crumbled up, so
How
Go
that
ahead.
happen? You want me to?
go ahead. You
Oh, well, yeah, go.
We gotta pour. We pouring it. Since you lost, you go. Since you lost, you
don't
go
taste
first.
it.
Oh no, I don't
Yeah, they
want all that.
crumbled. They not like a round.
Oh,
they
so
just,
it's just like chip.
yeah, like
Okay.
chips.
Let's see what they talking
The
about.
garlic is strong.
Okay.
Oh, I have a big one.
She got a whole one. Okay, y'all.
This is how it
Knock
look.
this stuff over.
It look like this. Okay. Pretty good. Okay, y'all ready?
My elbows, man.
Y'all ready?
1,
Garlic is strong.
1. He already eating.
This tastes like garlic bread.
1, 2, 3.
Mmm.
You ate the whole thing. Fun fact, I don't like to hear crunching. I like this. It's like good toasted garlic bread. What is spaghetti?
It's better than that first one.
Yeah.
It's a little hard, crunchy.
It's good. I like
It
it.
tastes like toasted bread.
Like crackers or something. I like
Now,
it.
I'm tell you what it tastes like. Croutons. You know, like
Sure
salad.
do.
It tastes like croutons.
Yeah, it do.
God,
Like,
this is
you can eat them on your
busting.
salad or something. It tastes better than those.
Pour it out. Pour it out. Yeah. All right, that's enough of those.
Okay. They taste
They're good,
though.
though.
That tastes like garlic bread.
Let's show
Like,
you
it
guys
actually tastes like garlic bread.
Fun fact. I can chew.
It says you can enjoy 7 days a week. Yo, this like
7 days a week. Okay.
Mm.
But I need some spaghetti with it. Or salad.
they good. Yeah, pass.
good. They're good.
What y'all rate it? 10 out of 10. I give it a 9 out of 10.
Okay, 8. Okay. Everybody agree? Put your thumbs up.
8 out of what?
Let's vote.
8.
Let's vote.
8.
Put your thumbs up if you like it.
I like it.
Good.
Better than that.
So that's a 3 out of 3. Gotta wash it down.
Yeah. It tastes better than that because, baby, that cinnamon have to go. It's a no for me. These will be good with some spaghetti.
Yep.
Or lasagna.
Lasagna. All right, let's do the next one. My greedy self is ready.
Guys, I'm
You
done.
go, since everybody been.
Okay,
Done.
so you got to do the bag. Let me mix it up. And
Wait,
I'm gonna close all. Look, I'm gonna close
We're not
all.
gonna do it since everybody done did it.
Y'all
Yeah.
wanna do rock,
She
paper?
ain't getting a
I didn't
chance.
get a chance yet, so
So we're gonna let her do
So I'm gonna close all 4 of my eyes, y'all.
Oh, no.
No, you can't
Come
do that.
on.
I gotta
Come on.
close all 4
Come
Yeah,
on,
eyes.
yeah,
take it
yeah.
out so she can go.
Okay, let's go.
Ooh, let it be something. Let it be something good.
What a bag is.
Okay.
What a bag is.
Not today for these. Not today, baby.
All right, what I pick, y'all.
Ooh.
You know what you did.
No, I
This is
didn't.
your favorite.
I picked Chester's, Hopper,
Yeah.
jalapeno, cheese.
Man.
Oh, they taste good.
I hope they do too. All right, y'all. Scoot back, dirt. That's what I was
I get
thinking.
it. I'll
One
get it.
down.
I'll get it. I will
Hold
get
up,
it.
y'all.
I will get it.
Kids. All right. Whew.
All right.
Mama excited about these.
I hope they good.
All right, y'all. Let's see.
I never really tried them.
Oh, they're cute. They like little stars.
Little paws.
The stars are paws.
Yeah, the
They
just the-
whirls. They not
Oh,
paws.
it's not paws.
No, we thought it was some paws. I gave you
Well,
one.
yeah, they look like stars.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
they
don't know
look-
what means they paws, y'all.
But this is what they look like. They ain't gonna focus on. Hold on.
Yeah,
On all of us. Okay. Come on, come on, come
there
on.
you go.
You see my mama beautiful face. That's what it's trying to
All
focus on.
of handsome face, beautiful
Ooh,
face.
this actually smells. Test.
Yeah, it smells like
It's real peppery.
It smells like it. It
Mhm,
smells
like
like
the,
the chip.
pepper.
Jalapeno. Ready?
Yes. 3, 2, 1.
I put the whole thing on. That's good. Hey, better than those last two.
They don't taste better than the bagel to me.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, I don't taste better than the garlic to me.
Me
I
either.
like it because it's giving me a taste of, it's spicy,
It's not really spicy.
but it's giving a
It's
taste
not
of
really spicy.
Cheetos, like it say. I like it.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
I get it a 5. I mean,
Crunchy.
an 8, not 7.
They're not salty. Not so far since, you know, with me eating them. A couple of them. But they're good.
Yeah, I give it a 6 out of 10.
I give it a 5.
6.
You give it a 6.
I like them.
So for this snack, y'all, what it is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
2 thumbs up.
All right, so that's a 3 out of a 3.
So what's the last one?
So, do
No, we
have-
got.
Wait.
Oh, can
Well, let's just randomly pick
2
one.
more.
It's only
Alright,
2.
y'all ready?
Yeah. Close these up so the air can get in them.
Okay, y'all ready? Rock.
Rock,
paper, scissors,
shoot. She
Yeah.
out. Okay, me and you. Come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, he won. So go ahead. Pick one.
What is the last
What we're gonna
two?
try next?
Oh, I gotta round
You
it
can
up.
just pick one.
Uh-huh.
Let's just pick one.
I'm just still.
What is this? Oh Lord.
What is it?
I keep getting baby food.
What is it?
It's the Munch Right cheddar and sour cream baked puffs.
I remember that when I was like 3.
That might be pretty good.
My little cousin, he eat those.
Let me see. Y'all can see it.
Actually,
So y'all ready?
no.
One down to go. So make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up. Y'all don't forget, y'all.
Like,
comment down below.
comment, and subscribe.
Right.
I'm gonna have
To
all of our
Friday night
channels
snack
right here.
down.
Friday.
Ooh, they look just like these. The same color, just don't have the little
Why you
season on it.
What? It's rolling.
Rolling.
All right. It's like a little. I was gonna say something else.
Cheeto.
Yeah, Cheeto. 1, 2,
You always met it.
3.
I like them.
I don't.
They taste like
It's not enough season.
it
on
tastes
them.
like a diet food, like snack with no salt.
It reminds me of
tastes
those
like.
Gerber puffs. That's what it is.
It tastes better than the cinnamon one. They taste like it's a
Must be good.
It tastes like a healthy snack. That's what it tastes like. Like the cinnamon ones, if you think about it, it tastes more like diet. A
Ain't got
diet snack because it don't have no sugar.
no flavor.
This don't have nothing to make.
We like them.
They cool.
Okay, we gotta eat the next snack. So,
I give it a 3.
but you eat them like that. I give these a 2.
I give it about a 4.
All right, everybody
About 4 or
agree?
5.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Up.
Down. What's that?
Kind of. I got taught that in kindergarten. Kind of.
Oh
No, it's either up or down. Which one is it? Pick a side.
He
Pick a
want to be
side.
up because he has some more.
Yep, he give it a up. So that's what? 1 out of 2.
That was one you didn't like. And the bagel one was up. With thumbs up.
So this one gets
I
2
like-
votes to 1.
Yeah. I pretty much like the last one.
And we got one last one, y'all.
What is it?
What could it be?
Oh, Lord.
This is plantain chips.
Oh,
Plantain.
my
Let me
God.
see.
I like plantains.
What they have,
Oh, plantain.
Pacific sea salt.
Plantain.
Oh yeah, with Pacific sea salt. I like plantains though, the real plantains. I don't know about these
I never
chips.
tried those, so this is my first time trying any of these chips. I never tried them.
Me
before.
either.
This is my first time.
Me either. But I like regular plantain. You had regular plantains before?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. They good. They good. Set up. Why are you laying back? All right, y'all. Let's see what
They
these
very
talking about.
small, just like how the plantain be.
I think I ate these
That's
before.
good.
All right, y'all.
Very thin, crispy.
Smell like a...
Smell like it.
Mm-hmm. 1, 2,
3.
3. She still smelling.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
1, 2.
It
Three.
reminds me of when a banana turned brown. Mm-mm.
Mm-mm. I like regular plantains better.
No, ma'am. This is healthy food. That is not good. That's the worst one.
Yeah.
Oh, these is plain.
Like they said some salt on there, but I don't taste no salt.
They look like a company ran some chips and forgot to put all the seasoning and salt on.
Mm-hmm.
That is not
I'm
good.
just getting some more because I'm trying to taste.
You know he like it.
No, I don't. It
It's
tastes
not. It
plain.
tastes real plain. It tastes like cardboard.
I know what
pork would taste like.
This is what I imagine it would taste like.
Hey, I
But it
say,
would taste like
I
that.
say if you could put your fingers for thumbs and put them down. Put them down, baby. Cause
Use
this
your
is
paws.
nasty. This nasty.
So what y'all get these? I ain't even gonna rate it. It's a
A
zero.
0 plus.
A negative.
0 plus.
A negative
I give
5.
it 1 negative.
Okay, y'all.
1
A thumbs
negative.
up or thumbs down. She giving it the pause.
That don't taste good.
That is disgusting.
So out of all of the snacks, let's put them up here. We can hold them up.
Ah!
Okay, here go one. We gotta rate.
We just rated them.
We did.
Look
Yeah,
up,
we gotta
throw it
pick.
over there.
Let's
I
pick
know,
which
I
one
want
our
this.
favorite.
You
Which
know
one?
which one
The
I
Cheetos.
Bagels.
Which since the Cheetos was
No,
pretty
turn it.
good.
Oh.
No.
Well, I caught them third. Okay. So which one would be the best?
The bagel.
Y'all think so?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, no, where's
No, these.
No.
where's the
bagel.
garlic bread?
Yeah.
Oh, garlic bread.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Well, y'all won because I didn't pick the garlic bread to be the best.
What
So,
you pick to be the
This
best?
is rated the #1 chip out of all these we have
Okay,
here.
we gotta figure out what's a snack down
This
there.
number 2nd.
Little move.
This number 3rd and this number 5th. I mean 4th.
So, comment down below if y'all would
This
go
is-
to Dollar Tree, which snack would y'all pick after we describe the chips? Which snack would y'all pick? If y'all went to Dollar Tree, comment down below and let us know which snack y'all would choose.
I don't know.
I
But I'm
don't
talking about them.
I know, but I was gonna say the bagel is the best, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Go get the bagel.
Get the
I think y'all like
Get the
that
bagel.
garlic.
But yeah,
These are the best to me. If you like spicy, these are good. If you a garlic lover,
that's good.
if you a health person, if you don't want to eat sugar,
And
What's
these
it
are
on?
just good. Remember you said you liked them.
Them
which
were
one
her
is
favorite.
No, I like these as favorite.
Oh,
I
you
these
did like those.
because they remind me of Cheetos.
I
Fat
don't know.
girl snacks.
I don't know. I don't like them better than the bagel. But yeah, y'all comment below and let us know some other snacks we should try, where we should get our next snacks from, y'all.
Yes, guys. Make sure y'all like and subscribe and hit the bell.
Hit that bell.
So be
Yeah,
notified.
You can ring my
And
bell.
be ready.
Ring my bell.
Friday night snack down, baby.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Be looking out for part 2.
No, we're gonna have it next Friday.
Yeah, next
That's
Friday, which is
part
part 2.
Yeah, next Friday.
Peace.
See y'all in the next video. Bye.
Peace.
Oh, boy.
These my favorite. Yeah,
I like these.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
You want to buy 8 milk?
Go, the camera on.
We're still eating our favorite chip.
We're going to have vanilla flour.
So next time, y'all make sure y'all get y'all snacks. And let us know what y'all eating on too.
Mm-hmm. Peace.
Okay.